Alrighty, boys. Good luck. Be careful at the start.
Good luck, fellas.
Set. Go.
Our goal was to integrate wellness into the classrooms, into the school, even into the discipline realm, to help people kind of get rid of all that adrenaline in a positive way, and to move the focus from food rewards to rewarding with exercise and fun activities for the school. So the biggest thing that I think that we did was get rid of unhealthy fundraisers and then start using extra recess time as positive incentives for the students.
My children are pretty easygoing. We serve a little bit over 200 on a lunch day. Right. And then we do, of course, the Smart Mouth pizzas and the chicken bites, which are oven baked. They're not fried. We don't fry anything anymore. I have not turned on my fryer in several years.
Very good.
I'm proud of that. I wish it just stick it out.
The history behind the race is to help every child to achieve at their best fitness level. It starts at the beginning of the year, and the goal is to increase your personal record, your personal mile run. So at the beginning of the year, they start out with a quarter of a mile and work their way up to a mile. They run every week, and the PE coaches, Eshelman and Duffy, keep their times. And by the end of the year, each grade level, the top runners run in a race, and then the winners of that run at the race you saw today, which is the elite mile, is the kind of the top runners, the fastest times, but everybody has had a chance to try, and they get rewarded with medals, with recognition. We actually have data, and the PE coaches also did BMIs on everybody pre and post, and definitely they're faster runners, they're more confident, they feel good about themselves, and some children that actually maybe struggle a little bit academically really can shine in this area, so it's been a really positive thing.
This is our water trowel system, and basically water that comes on the roof and it goes down that pipe and comes into this plastic trash bin. The good thing about this is it's completely biodegradable and it's all good for the environment. Basically, water goes in and it pushes water down through the tube so you can water other plants, and it doesn't use any electrical systems, and it's good for the environment because it just water and it's all recyclable.
We have a wonderful raised garden, and we have a student garden club and a parent club overseeing the garden, along with Ambrose Farms, the Green Building Council for South Carolina, who support the garden and teach the kids about which crops to plant and help with that. Everything was donated, and it also serves as a learning tool for the science curriculum. It's like an outdoor classroom to go along with that, and I've done teaching for the some of the self-contained students to get out and learn about the garden and harvest. And then the students harvest the vegetables that grow, and they've learned how to wash them and bag them, and then we offer them to teachers.
It came about by recognizing the need for students once they arrive on campus and there's a downtime while they're waiting for their homeroom teachers to come and get them. The sixth graders wait in this hallway right outside here, and typically they would just sit down and wait, and it could be up to 20-25 minutes, and we had this vacant room, and I thought, because the eighth graders wait in the gym for their homeroom teachers, they have the opportunity to get up and move around. I thought we need to get the sixth graders an opportunity to do something.
We also looked at recess and more options other than just basketball. So the students can actually get extra credit with some of their teachers for walking on the track during recess. We added soccer nets with wellness money. We also added a volleyball net and a tetherball We got double Dutch jump ropes. They have a lot more to keep them busy. Another thing that we're really proud of is integrating wellness even into the discipline. When they go into the ISS room or they get sent out of class to get back in control, instead of just sitting, especially if they're in there all day, we have stationary exercise bikes. We have treadmills, and so they can actually get on those and work through some of that adrenaline, some of their frustration, and they also get exercise at the same time. So when they get themselves back in control in that way, it also gets them into good habits of realizing that you can use exercise to try to get rid of some of the anger and frustrations and get back in the classroom quickly.
All right, jumping jacks.
1, 2.
Go ahead, you count it, Gia. Let's get it 20.
Usually about halfway through a 70-minute class where the children are losing focus, the teacher will get them up and they will stand up and do different exercises, stretches. A lot of them use song. I know the French teacher uses singing in French and doing movements, exercise movements to increase circulation to the brain and help them become alert again.
I think from a staff standpoint, I think that I see more of my staff members involved in physical activity, paying attention to the fact that they should eat better, that they should be exercising more.
Because staff wellness is really super important. We have a wellness wall, a whole wellness relaxation wall in the teacher lounge, and we made one of the rooms into a relaxation area for them. We do health screenings. Well, we added a bench to the garden because that's a really relaxing area.